Meaning of incredible.
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 Incredible. The word incredible means something that is difficult to believe or beyond ordinary comprehension. It can be used to describe an event, experience, or achievement that is truly remarkable and impressive. For example, an incredible athletic performance might leave fans speechless, or an incredible discovery in science could change the way we see the world. When something is described as incredible, it often inspires a sense of awe and admiration, leaving us with a feeling of wonder and amazement at the possibilities that exist in the world.